I'm Rich Dykstra Sr. with Dykstra Home Services. We've been in business for 96 years, serving Chicago and the south suburbs. Your average system will last about 17 to 19 years. Naturally, it requires maintenance, just like your automobile. It's really important that you change your filters at least once a month. If you have a basic filter like this one, you can see how dirty it is. Or if you have an electronic air cleaner, you can wash it in a laundry tub. Or there's a 4-inch media filter that will last you probably 6 months to a year, depending on how much traffic you have in your home. Most manufacturers require annual maintenance, which means we would come out in the spring to service the air conditioner, in the fall to service the furnace. You might want to look into a maintenance agreement that we automatically come out and everything would be covered. In the spring, we come out and check the condensing unit in the backyard. Usually we find it loaded with leaves and branches from over the winter, and we also clean the outside coil. We either hose it down or brush it off to get all the cottonwood seeds off of it. Okay, there's 2 schools of thought in covering your condensing unit. One is to get a custom-made cover so that the unit can breathe. What a lot of people do is make the mistake of either taking a tarp or a plastic garbage bag covering their unit all the way down to the ground. It can't breathe. Condensate develops inside the unit and it'll turn into a ball of rust. In the fall, we come out and completely go through the furnace. We perform a 15-point safety check, checking the hot surface igniter, the flame rod, the blower, to make sure everything is operating at peak manufacturer's efficiency. Keeping your equipment maintained will give you peace of mind and keep your equipment operating trouble-free throughout the summer and the winter, keeping you comfortable.